honest that it's not a good time because just things are happening. Tuvia, no. Just sit down, Tuvia. Yes. I'll be there in a moment. Oh, Tuvia. Oh. Just feeling for these parents, what they go through on a daily basis when school finishes and they have to deal with their whole family.
I have a special neshama that I love very, very much.
When a parent has a special needs child, that child needs a tremendous amount of attention.
It's very hard to put yourself in a position of what these families go through.
It's very hard to explain.
I see the crying and the tears that these parents and family and other siblings in the family go through.
Sometimes it takes away from other children. Sometimes it just takes too much from the parent, and a parent needs a break.
Part of this difficulty is that it's constant. It's 24/7. Parents don't get a break.
It's a very
V'zakeini legadel, banim uvnei banim, chachamim unevoinim.
Tuesday afternoon, Thursday evenings, Friday afternoons, Shabbos afternoons, when no school is open, no one is there for you, well, that's where Lev With Love come into effect.
Not only do the parents benefit because simply they need a break, it's a service for the kids themselves. The kids benefit from this.
When you see the volunteers going in the blistering cold, or if it's when it's pouring rain, and picking up these kids Shabbos afternoon.
Parents came to me and they said, Rabbi Raymond, this organization is saving us.
It can be raining, it can be snowing. It doesn't make a difference what the weather is outside. The girl's going to show up.
The alleviation, the burden that they take off these parents' shoulders, just from their tears, could show me what they go through on a daily basis.
How much things are easier when we have that break, but we can give our other children more attention.
This provides the parents a respite that they need.
Parents can now focus on their children. They can relax a bit. When you go to the Shabbaton and you see hundreds of girls, they keep on rotating, taking care of these children.
Parents being so thankful, saying, it's the first time you took my child away for Shabbos. I was able to give the attention to my other children.
On Baruch Hashem, we have a very solid medical team. We have nurses, EMTs that come.
The Shabbaton is a tremendous display of chesed.
There was a volunteer who had an extremely difficult child. It came Matzah Shabbos, she was really wiped out. When the buses arrived back to Lakewood, the parents of this special child was waiting at the bus stop to pick up her child, bought a gift for the volunteer and said, it was the first time we went away for Shabbos.
Lev for Love is not an organization. Lev for Love is a movement.
Lev With Love is unlimited heart and unlimited love.
And sometimes there's this phrase that you have to see it to believe it. Come see the Shabbaton.
Lev With Love is holy work.
Lev With Love is a true demonstration of what Klal Yisrael is all about. True chesed, caring about another Yid.